Hello friends, this is Milani Hajunsu. Welcome to my channel which is all about enhancing what you have. Today we are going to review KINOMEGUMI Detox foot patch that I got from Japan. Now detox patches are quite famous in Asia and I have already done a video on it before. Scientists came up with this concept of soaking toxins from body through feet by trees. Toxins are harmful substances which are accumulated inside body that can be a result of our lifestyle and food. For example, consuming preservatives and harsh chemicals through food. Moreover, the polluted air we breathe in. These toxins eventually deteriorate our health. Detox pads release toxins from body and reduce swelling, headache, sinus, bloating, and increases body metabolism rate, which aids in weight loss. According to Japanese people, one has to be consistent to enjoy the results. I bought the grapefruit one because that claims to promote metabolism, mental relaxation, and improves digestion because it is harder for me to lose weight than a normal person because I love eating. These detox patches are enriched with natural tree sap that absorbs toxins from body. Red pepper in it enhances blood circulation and metabolism, while vitamin C brightens skin. Firstly, the packaging is very hygienic and high quality. No wonder it's a Japanese product. Look, even their silica gel balls have aesthetics. So these patches come packed in a Ziploc bag. It has citrusy smell, which I can smell right now because it's a little leaked, but I was told by a friend that it's not much of an issue as it doesn't affect the product performance. So this much is leaked. These are the stickers that are going to be used to stick pads to foot. Again, the packaging and the product itself is really high quality. It was expensive, so I'm happy that it feels of high quality. The sticking patch is divided in two parts. I think it is because it doesn't lose its adhesiveness. I'm supposed to put the printed part on the pad, like on the sticky side. Now I'm attaching this on my foot and it has such a strong adhesive power. You can use these pads on your back, chest, hands, or wherever you want detoxifying function to be stronger according to the box. After 6 hours now, I'm going to remove the pad. Let me tell you, last night as I applied these patches, my sleep left the chat. I was unable to sleep the whole night. The adhesive power is so strong that it is a little hard for me to remove the pads. As the pads were a little leaked already, some of the powder has made my foot sticky, I guess, or maybe it's the sweat. I don't know. So, yeah, it's sticky. So, that's how the pad from left foot looks like. That's how the right one looks like. Both the pads are green in color and still smell citrusy a little. I was active the following day and didn't feel sleepy or tired at all after using the pads. The following night I used the pads again and now I am removing it after 10 hours. It leaked a little due to my weight as I went to toilet last night and I forgot that I had these on me. Day 2 pads are lighter in color. That means that my body had less toxins on day 2 in my body according to its box. So that's how I look before using the pads. I love eating and I can't quit it at times, but I do walk a lot. I'm unable to lose weight so far and my lifestyle has been stagnant. So I used the third patch after 2 days. I had difficulty in sleeping again while it was on. I felt very active the following day as if I have slept well. I've started to go to toilet a lot after using the third patch. I have lost around half a kg as well with no change in my diet or activities. Pad 3 are darker than pad 2 as I used them after a gap and lighter than pad 1. I used pad 4 after 2 days gap. I have started to go to toilet a lot after I used the pad a night before. Let me tell you. Overall about it, as I show you the used pads and the days and everything, like all the information is like on your screens. My diet was exactly the way it was 2 months before. Okay? So I have lost it around, like I've lost around 9 kgs overall. Like ever since I started using the pads. Like before using the pads, like my diet has been like stagnant, but the detox pads gave a kickstart to my metabolism. I'm a skeptic, okay? But trust me, it did actually work because the day I skipped the pads were the days I, didn't lost much weight or my weight remained constant. But the days I used it were the days I lost weight next day. So I'm going to rate it 5 by 5 if I can get my hands on these in Japan.